Hello guys. Today is June 23rd. Um, Catching my breath. There's so much stuff going on. We're moving, you guys. So all the boxes are here. Mattress are up. My tripods are here. I have to, and I have all these racks right here. I have to pack. All our boxes are here. That's boxes right there. See right here, this is just one room. All the boxes were there, and I need to pack like there the I know how you call that, my desk. And then this room is full of boxes. This is Yanyan's room, most of his toys, you guys. Oh my gosh. And then the books, oh my god, 2 days I have to do this, so there's still much things going on. Yeah, so all right, this is just an update. We are moving in a couple of days, this Sunday, and I'm gonna update you guys what's going on, where I'm going. So I hope that you will travel with me. I'll be doing live from now live. I'll be doing live from now on if I can do edit, because I don't have internet from where I am going to. So you will know on Sunday what I'm up to and where I am going to. Okay, so this is it. This is my vlog for today. So much stuff going on. Just need to dress again for my work uh worker worker outfit. Outfit. Okay, so this is it. Sorry about my haggard look. This is reality when it's moving day. It's just hard. Okay, so I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.